Hi, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the Stitch Christmas Page Kit. If you'd like to purchase this kit, please click the link below. It'll take you to my shop where you'll find this kit as well as many other fun projects. I also do mini albums as well as page kits. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump right in. I just wanted to quickly show you what a finished sample looks like. Now the white cardstock is not in the kit. That just represents the photograph, okay? I also have other videos here on my YouTube channel that shows you how to do the paper piecing step by step, so it helps you along the way with that if you need additional assistance. But in your kit, you will receive a full color step-by-step instruction sheet. On the back, you're going to find a nice large image of Stitch as well as an additional photo here just demonstrating how the lights go because they are intertwined around the photo mat. I encourage you to watch that video, the assembly video of this page, because you'll see how it's kind of intertwined around. So that's a really helpful video to just sit and watch how I do that step by step. You'll notice in the instructions the background paper is a little different. That was the original kit. Since then that paper has been discontinued, so I am now using this background paper from Carta Bella. The original was Lawn Fawn, but they don't make that anymore. But I do absolutely love the new background. It looks like it's the tree with the ornaments behind him, and he is messing around with those beautiful Christmas lights. The lights and the title are from Miss Kate Cuttables, so just a shout out to her. In your kit, you're going to find individual baggies with all of the smaller pieces that go to each set. So like this one's going to just be for Stitch. This one's just going to be for the title. Or no, this is the string of lights. This one's for the title. The larger pieces are going to be loose in the kit. And then we've got your photo mats. Oh, a cool thing about this. So if you had one of my first original kits with Stitch's teeth and had to put that together, I apologize because that was a tough one, having to do every single little tooth on there and get it just right. Well, now, years later, I have gone in and figured out how to weld it, so it's actually just going to be already cut in there, and then you're going to go ahead and glue a white piece that comes in your kit to the back, and boom, done with the teeth. So I'm excited about that. Sorry if you had one of the original kits. But anyway, it's a lot easier now. It comes together fairly quickly. And I do have the how-to paper piecing on that video on my channel as well. So these are the photo mats that you get. They are black cardstock. And all you need to do to add your photos is go ahead and measure these and then trim your photo to 1/4 inch smaller. Okay, so you're going to receive 2 solid pieces and then 2 decorative pieces. So the solid is 12 by 12. These are also, they come with the barcode is still attached, so you're going to need to trim it down. Your instructions will tell you exactly what to trim them to. Like I said, go ahead and watch the assembly video I have if you need any additional help. It just gives you a nice walkthrough of how to put it together, especially if this is your first time putting one of these kits together. That'll be a nice real help. So anyway, that is all for this video. I want to thank you so much again for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much again, and have a great day.